Okay, this is SMB. My name is Stephanie. SMB Designs. My name is Stephanie, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have, hey y'all, hey. Um, I did a little bit of yard selling and thrifting, not a whole lot, just a little bit today. But I wanted to show you what all I've gotten. So we'll just start with the woolies. That's what Seven calls them. We had this beautiful one here, this green one. And she didn't charge a bad price for these. She charged $1 a skein. It's called a Starbella lace. There's 3 yards, it says. No, 31 yards. Oh my goodness, if I could read. So I got that one. Then she had a black and gold one, so of course I had to get it. And it opens just like the other one does, but you could leave it closed where the black would be behind it or open. I kind of like it with the black behind it. So there, I got two of those. This one was not wrapped up, but it still is almost a full skein of it. And as you know, I absolutely love some black and gold together, black and silver, black and anything. Glitter is my favorite color, but black is my second favorite. So had to have that. Then I found some more of these. This one is called a tutu by Moda, and it's just real cute. Just something real simple. Okay, maybe that helped it some. This one is just a white. It's just a, I don't know, just a pretty little frilly thing. Then I got this little one, and I think it's blue. That's what I'm calling it. It doesn't say. It's a net weight 85 meters, so 92 yards of it. That's a lot. Uh, Carab Cabana blue. There you go. Blue. I'm right. It's blue. And one more woolly. I got this one. It's so cute. It's so cute. I think it's yep, grape. Grape, so it's a purple. Sorry, Marty. But it's not a real light one, so maybe we'll be okay. Okay, so that's all of the woolies that I got. And then I stopped at a yard sale, and I don't know if this guy was just selling his girl's stuff or whatever, but he had like 3 or 4 buckets full of paparazzi jewelry, and he was selling everything $1 a piece. And so I grabbed some. I got this bracelet. It's adjustable. Isn't it beautiful? Once I polish up the smudges or fingers on it. And then this bracelet. I thought it was really pretty. I think it'd be cute this way instead of this way, so I liked that. Then I got this ring. It says ring with rich with richness, brown ring. That's all it says. Let me open it. They're all adjustable on the back, but isn't it pretty? It's so pretty and shiny. I thought it would be great with my little stuff for my videos. It'd go right along well with them. And then they had this ring, and of course, you know, I had to have it. It's so pretty. But all of these, the stretchy really fits me well, and usually stretchy rings are kind of snug, but these did really good. I really enjoyed them. And they sparkle so pretty. And then here's another ring I got. I got one necklace, but everything else is bracelets and rings because I only wear jewelry really when I'm going online with you guys, so you have something to look at. That's the plan anyway. Okay, and this one it says it's called Magnificent Majesty Blue Ring. It's a littler one. Isn't it pretty? Look at it sparkle. April, I know you like this one. Yes, yes. It's so pretty. It just sparkles so good. I had to have it. I love the sparkles. And then there was this, and I thought this is a guy's bracelet, I think. So, I thought one of my boys might like it. If they don't, it's okay. I can wear it or do something with it. But it was only $1 to try it. It's really pretty. I like it. So then I got that one. And then there was this necklace. Now, I don't wear necklaces, but the design of this necklace is so different that I had to buy it because I've never seen one like it. And I thought I might be able to find a way to use it with a journal. Look at that. Isn't that a statement? So pretty. Very tribal-esque. Yes. Oh, I didn't realize it had earrings. It has two earrings with it. Well, my ears grow up as soon as I take earrings out. I left them in for a year one time, just taking them out to clean them, and they grew right up. If I leave them more than an hour or two, they're grown right back up. So pitiful. But isn't that pretty? I can use those little chains for lots of stuff. So that was my little jewelry haul. Let me put those back. I did find we went to Goodwill and I really didn't get much, but I got two things. I'll let me just one second. I'll grab the other one. Hang on. Okay. I got this. It was $1.49. I think these are the ones that the Dollar Tree carries, but there are two of them here. So I figured, well, it's still cheaper than that, so I will not gripe too bad about it. But for $1.49 is worth doing because I didn't have any of these. I didn't pick them up. Our store actually just got them. I know it's crazy late, right? Yeah, but perfect for just storing my little project that I'm working on at the moment kind of thing and putting it back together. That's actually kind of what I was thinking with them. All right, and the other thing I got was actually still a yard sale. I got it for my daughter, but she says she doesn't think she would use it. She thinks it's cool, but she doesn't think she'd use it. So that's okay. I was thinking if she didn't like it, that I would use it as painting practice because I don't like what they did with all the silver on it. But it's a candle holder, and it's a dragon holding two skulls. His tail wraps all the way around. It's so neat. So I thought, I can do a paint job on that, and he would look really cool. He's really bumpy all over his face and nose, though. It's kind of weird to me, you know. But it wasn't bad. So I like him. Okay, I'll do something with him. Something with him. Well, guys, that is all of my little bitty haul. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're having a great day. I look forward to seeing you all again real soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.